Features: 1. Stainless steel compact body design, beautiful and easy to clean and operate. 2. It has a durable metal-to-metal drive clutch system. 3. Stainless steel 6-blade and non-slip rubber pad. 4. 5 speed options for a variety of different ingredients. 5. Suitable for meat, fruit, peanuts, walnuts, beans, and so on. Specifications: name, electric meat grinder, voltage 110 to 240 volts, speed 30,000 to 40,000 revolutions per minute. Material: stainless steel 304. Gear: 5 gears. Noise: 36 decibels. Power: 500 watts. Capacity: 5 liters.